In a small village nested among rolling hills, there lived a diligent young woman named Lily. She possessed an insatiable thirst for knowledge and unwavering determination to improve herself. Lily had always dreamed of exploring the world beyond her village and expanding her horizons. One day she stumbled upon an old, weathered map while cleaning the attic of her family ancestral home. The map depicted a hidden treasure room holds profound wisdom and riches beyond imagination. Intrigued by possibilities, Lily embarked on a journey to uncover this legendary treasure. Her first destination was an ancient library perched on a cliff overlooking the vast ocean. As she stepped inside, the librarian greeted her with a warm smile. "Welcome, adventurer," he said, recognizing the sparkle in Lily's eyes. Within these walls lies a wealth of knowledge waiting to be discovered. Lily diligently studied the myriad of books, delving into topics ranging from philosophy to science, from literature to history. She devoured the pages, absorbing new words and concepts. Expanding her intellectual repertoire, the hour turned into days and the day into weeks, as she tirelessly pushed her goal. Empowered by her newly acquired knowledge, Lily set off to a bustling metropolis renowned for its cultural diversity. The city streets were alive with vibrant color and melodious sounds, offering endless opportunities to practice her language skill. She engaged conversation with locals, honing her fluency and understanding of idioms and expressions. Driven by her unwavering dedication, Lily traveled to a tranquil monastery atop a majestic mountain. There she sought the guidance of wise sages who had mastered the art of mindfulness and self-reflection. They taught her the importance of balance and harmony in life, instilling within her a profound sense of wisdom. Returning to her village after her arduous journey, Lily was a changed woman. She shared her newfound knowledge and experience with her fellow villagers, inspiring them to pursue their own dreams and aspirations. The once sleepy village transformed into a hub of intellectual curiosity and ambition. Lily's quest has come full circle, as she realized that true treasure lay not in material wealth, but in the pursuit of knowledge and personal growth. Her story became a testament to the power of education, perseverance, and endless possibilities that awaited to those who dare to venture beyond their comfort zones. And so the village of learning thrived, forever grateful to Lily for igniting the flame of knowledge that burned brightly within each of its inhabitants.